Yes. Next problem. Find the constant ABC. Find the constant. Find the constants ABC, AB and C, so that the vector function capital F equals 1 minute x plus y plus az x plus y plus az I cap plus bx plus 2y minus z j cap plus x plus cy plus 2z k cap is irrotational and also find phi such that vector f equals grad phi. Vector f equals grad phi. Yes. Solution. So I hope you know the procedure to solve this problem. So show that if it is irrotational means they will give the direct vector, and you should take 3 cross 3 determinant of this cross product and you should solve. So in another way, find the constant ABC means they will give given problem is a irrotational means you should take RHS should be equal to 0. Then only you can calculate the constants ABC. Okay. Yes, take down. Given vector f equals vector f is irrotational. Given vector f is irrotational, therefore curl f equal to 0. Curl f equal to 0. So write the formula of curl f and substitute our problem. That is determinant I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou z. Yes, first component x plus y plus az, second component bx plus 2y minus z, and third component x plus cy plus 2z, and that is equal to 0. Okay, so curl f is means f is irrotational means formula curl f equal to 0. Let's simplify. As usual, 3 cross 3 determinant, solution of 3 cross 3 determinant, plus minus plus I cap into. So just you can write the implies not equal because equal sign that you have to write in the right hand side. Okay, so I cap into.
Plus 1.
Yes. If you want, you can write like this: dou by of
Sir,
x
screen
plus
not
cy.
visible, sir.
Sorry,
Screen is not visible, sir.
screen. 1 minute. Okay, now.
No, sir.
Now.
Visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Visible.
So dou by of x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of bx plus 2y minus z. Okay, so as usual, first row and first column if you neglect or if you ignore, you will get the 4 terms as 2 cross 2 determinant minus j cap into now first row and second column. Then you will get remaining four terms is dou by dou x of x plus cy plus 2z minus dou by dou z of x plus y plus az and plus k cap into plus k cap into first row and last column you ignore. So you will get these 4 terms. Okay, dou by dou x of bx plus 2y minus z minus dou by dou y of x plus y plus az. Yes, that is equal to 0. It is compulsory. Now this implies yes I cap into differentiate what you will get partially with respect to y, x and z are constant, that becomes 0. So differentiation of cy is c, that's it, minus partially with respect to z
1.
Minus
bx and 2y is 0, is it right? You will get minus 1, so minus of minus you can write as a plus or let it be one more step, minus j cap into partially with respect to x1, correct? These two constant,
sir.
partially with respect to z, x, y constant, it is 0. You will get minus a and plus k cap into partially with respect to xb. These two become 0. And with respect to y, it is minus. With respect to y, it is 1. Is it right? So that is equal to 0. So rewrite this become c plus 1 I cap, c plus 1 I cap. Now multiply minus and make it plus here, multiply minus and inside. So 1 minus a become a minus 1 j cap and plus b minus 1 k cap. That is equal to 0 can be written as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, RHS, because we have to compare the two vectors corresponding components. So that gives, this implies c plus 1 equal to 0, a minus 1 equal to 0 and b minus 1 equal to 0. So this implies c equals minus 1, put it in box, a equals 1 and b equals 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now so actually if they ask only calculate ABC means this is the end. Okay, this is one stage actually. Since we have to calculate phi by using f is equal to grad phi or grad phi is equal to f, so we have to substitute this ABC to our problem. So therefore f equals, yes, what happens our problem now? F equals, I will substitute x plus y plus az. A value is 1, so this is x plus y plus z into I cap. Okay, I am substituting the values of a, b, c to the problem. F what it is given, then plus it is bx. Now b value is 1, therefore x plus 2y minus z, x plus 2y minus z into j cap plus yes x plus cy, c is minus, so x minus, it become x minus y plus 2z k cap. Is it right? Is there any difference in the sign or the number? Is it correct now? F equals x plus y plus z. Yes, A is 1, B is 1, and C is -1. So therefore you will get -1. Okay, now we have to calculate phi given f equals grad phi or grad phi equals f. Okay, that implies write down the formula of grad phi, dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. That is equal to x plus y plus z I cap plus x plus 2y minus z j cap plus x minus y plus 2z k cap. Okay, so as usual, corresponding components of ijk you equate and integrate. Okay, so dou phi by dou x, that implies dou phi by dou x equals x plus y plus z. That implies integrate with respect to x means you will get phi equals integration of x plus y plus z into dx with respect to x. That gives phi equals s. What is the integration?
x square by 2 plus yx plus zx plus.
Yeah, x square by 2 plus xy I will write one order plus xz I will write zx only but xz plus f of with respect to x now y comma
Y
z.
and z.
Yes, y comma z. Similarly, dou phi by dou y equals x plus 2y minus z. That implies phi equals integration of x plus 2y minus z into dy. That implies phi equals yes
xy plus y square minus yz plus f x and z.
xy plus y square x square plus y square minus yz. Is it right? Plus f of x comma z. And the last one, dou phi by dou z equals x minus y plus 2z. That implies phi equals integration of x minus y plus 2z dz. So that implies phi equals yes. What is the integration?
X minus yz plus z square plus fx comma y.
xz minus yz plus z square plus f of x comma y. Yes, can you choose now? What is f of y comma z? Yes, y comma z means the term involving y and z. Okay, means only y, only z. Yeah, minus
Minus
yz. Yes,
Minus
minus
yz.
yz. Coming to f of x comma z.
Exit.
xz. It is there in the first equation and the third equation, xz. Some problem you will get easily. Some problem yesterday we solved one problem, no? So it will be difference. And f of x comma y.
XY.
Yes,
XY.
xy. Yes. If you substitute, therefore phi becomes first one x square by 2, no? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me see. Therefore phi becomes Substitute in the first equation. It gives x square by 2 plus xy plus xz plus f of y comma z is minus yz. It will not unique, no? Anybody observed? No, see here. F of y comma z means not only yz, see y square and z square also you should choose, because in the first equation what you are choosing, it should be unique phi. Okay, it will be see like this, minus yz correct, as well as y square is there, so plus y square and plus z square. This also you have to choose. You got it? See, first one, f of y comma z. F of y comma z means a term involving y and z term. Maybe y and z together or y and z separate. Okay, so in that case, you will get yz also. You should take minus yz as well as y square as well as z square. Similarly, now tell me what is f of x comma z now. X comma z in the first equation and in third equation. Okay, xz is okay. X into z is okay. See, in the first equation, x square by 2 is there. So here you should choose x square by 2. Plus in here, you should choose z square. Okay, plus z square. So like this. And in third one, f of x comma y. So the term involving xy as well as x as well as y. So that you will get see x square by 2, xy it is there already, we chosen xy plus x square by 2, x square by 2, and here plus y square. See, because earlier how we choose only this three terms, first three terms, and if I substitute, it will not get unique phi. And one more thing is, if you calculate gradient of this, you will not get our original problem f. Okay, that you can verify. So now this will be the I will substitute here like this, 1 minute. X square by 2 plus xy plus xz minus yz plus y square plus z square. So this is actually phi. Now you can verify. Now if you calculate the grad phi, what is the answer of dou phi by dou x? What is dou phi by dou x? Just calculate in your mind and tell me. If
X
I
plus y
differentiate
plus z.
yeah, you will get first component, no? You can see the vector f. Vector f you can calculate, our first component c, dou phi by dou x, x plus y plus z, what is there here? I should get like, what is dou phi by dou y now? Dou phi by dou y c x, this is the first term 0, second, third term 0, minus y plus 2y. Sorry, yeah, minus z plus 2y. It is there. X plus 2y minus z is there. And partially with respect to z means first term 0, second term 0, you will get x, yes, minus y and plus 2z. Now this is the correct answer. I hope you understand how to choose. If you have any doubt, ask me, I will clear. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask, I will clear. How to choose? Choosing is some problem, it will be very easy. For some problem, actually, you should go with the term. F of y comma z means maybe the term involving y and z together. Maybe it is product or addition or subtraction, or and another way, sorry, plus or minus the term containing only y, the term containing only z, but x is not allowed for the first constant, and y is not allowed for the second, and z is not allowed for the third constant. So this is the way. Got it? So why I am stressing means it is really very important problem. Now I will give one question paper problem. Okay, one. Just I will copy the same question from the question paper. Yes. Get on the next problem. So just I will copy. Just 1 minute. Yes. This is question paper problem. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So from one question paper, just I copied the image. This is actually, I will tell you, this is June 2019. So last year question paper, and the question is 1C, 7 marks. Okay, the question is 1C. See the question, they will ask like this. Find the value of ABC such that f equals axy plus bz cube I cap plus 3x square minus cz j cap plus 3xz square minus y k cap is irrotational. Also find scalar potential phi such that f is equal to grad phi. Yes, 7 marks. So 3 marks or 4 marks phi. Take down the question. Veerbhadra. Veerbhadra. Are you in class or not? I can observe many students simply they are logged but they are not in the class. Even they don't know when the class will wind up. Okay. Simply at the time of 9 to 10, they will be in the class. Everything it is possible we can observe here in the teams. Veerbhadra, I am calling thrice. I will remove from you from the channel. Okay. See, those who are joined to guest, I will not consider as a present. Okay, you should come through the Teams credential only. Yes, take down. Find the value of ABC such that f given vector is irrotational and also find the scalar potential. Solution given given f is irrotational. Given f is irrotational. That is curl f equal to 0. That implies determinant I, J, K, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. As first component axy plus bz cube. Second component 3x square minus cz. Third component 3xz square minus y equal to 0. Yes, do it. I cap into dou by dou y of 3x z square minus 5 minus dou by dou z of 3x square minus cz minus j cap into dou by dou x of first one second column 3x z square minus y minus dou by dou z of axy plus bz cube. And k cap into dou by dou x of 3x square minus cz minus dou by dou y of axy plus bz cube equal to 0. Yes, that implies. Just tell me what is the differentiation?
Minus 1 plus c.
Minus 1 with respect to z, no? Minus c, minus minus plus c. Okay. Minus j cap into
3z square minus
3b minus square.
3z square minus with respect to z, no?
3z square.
3b z square.
3b z square. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next plus k cap into
6x minus ax.
no,
Minus
with respect
ax.
to 6x minus ax.
ax.
Ax equal to 0 or so c minus 1 I cap. I will write plus only, means write minus, multiply minus inside and just rearrange. 3bz square become positive, no? 3bz square minus 3z square j cap plus this is 6x minus ax k cap. So that is equal to 0i plus 0j plus 0k. 0 can be written in the vector form. So now we equate. This gives, this implies c minus 1 equal to 0. 3bz square minus 3z square equal to 0. And here 6x minus ax equal to 0. Correct? Huh? So here c equals 1. Easily we will get. So here you divide it. Throughout you divide by what? 3z square. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
I can
Yes,
divide by 3z square, or you take 3z square common and cross multiply. You will get 0 by anything is. So what left if I divide by 3z square? You will get b minus 1. Is it right? b minus 1 equal to 0, then b equals to 1. And here divide by
X.
x, divide by x, you will get 6 minus a equal to 0 or a equals 6. So this is the values, value of a, b and c. Now substitute to our problem. Therefore f equals now. Therefore f equals, yes, what is our problem? I don't question. Axy plus bz cube. Axy nothing but, yes, anyone just you dictate, I will write. Because
6xy
6x
6
xy plus z cube
plus z cube I cap,
I cap plus
yes,
3x square minus z
3x square minus z,
z cube plus
no, z
j cube and j cap
j cap, okay,
plus
plus
3x z square
3x z square
minus y
minus y,
k cap.
very okay, k cap. This is our problem. Is it right?
yes sir.
Okay. Now given, now you have to calculate phi. Given. So it is like two stages, two parts of the problem. One is calculating the constant ABC. Another one is you have to calculate phi. Okay. So depending on the complication, if calculating ABC is complicated, means we will give 4 marks. Or if the integration and choosing the constant is complication, means we will give 4 marks to the to calculating phi. Okay. So that depends, that we call it as a scheme. Yes. Given f equals grad phi, or grad phi equals f. Yes, this implies, write down formula and substitute vector f. So dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap equals 6xy plus z cube I cap plus 3x square minus z j cap plus 3x z square minus y k cap. Okay, so one by one you calculate. Dou phi by dou x equals 6xy plus z cube. Okay, yes, this implies phi equals integration of 6xy plus z cube, that you have to integrate with respect to x. That implies phi equals, yes, what is the answer?
3x square y plus
Good. 3x
Z cube.
square y plus xz cube.
x z cube plus fyz y comma z.
F of y comma z. Okay. See here the first term, integration of x is x square by 2. 2 and 6 cancel. You will get 3. So directly, if it is difficult, means you work out somewhere and write the final answer. Okay. Don't do the much complex simplification here. Okay. Because it will be complicated to you only to choose or to solve the next steps. Similarly, dou phi by dou y. Dou phi by dou y equals 3x square minus z. That implies phi equals integration of 3x square minus z into dy. So with respect to y, we have to integrate. That implies phi equals, yes,
3x square y minus z.
3x square y plus z
minus
y.
yz plus f of x comma
X.
z.
X comma y.
Okay, in between you write comma because you will treat as x into z or y into z like that. No, okay, it should be a term containing x and z, maybe together or separate. Okay, next do phi by dou z. Last one 3xz square, 3xz square minus y. This implies phi equals integration of 3xz square minus y dz. That implies yes, phi equals
X Z cube
X Z
X
cube.
Z cube
very good, x
plus
z
Y
cube
Z
minus YZ
minus
Y Z
yz plus f
plus
of
F of
X comma Y.
X comma
x comma y.
Right.
Good. Okay. Now your part choosing such that you should get unique phi. F of y comma z, f of x comma z, and f of x comma y. Yes, I will give you the time. You choose y comma z. First
Minus
term.
Minus
YZ.
YZ.
Yeah,
minus Y Z.
only one term. Is it right? Only one term. It is available in second and third. Minus yz. And you should see the other terms also such that no x involves. That's it. It's not that. Y comma z means only one term. X comma z.
XZ
XZ cube.
Xz cube, it is available in first equation and third equation, xz cube. And the third one, x comma y,
3x square y.
3
X square.
x square y. So substitute any constant in the corresponding equation, you will get phi equals. Therefore, phi equals, I will go with first equation only, 3x square y. 3x square y plus xz cube plus xz cube, f of yz is minus yz. So if you substitute other two constant in other two equations, you will get unique phi. You will get same phi only, and you can verify if I differentiate partially with respect to x, I should get here the first component 6xy plus z cube you should get. Similarly with respect to y second and with respect to z third. So then only our phi is correct. Okay, that you can verify just in mind, you can differentiate. Okay.